Hello everyone. Welcome to English Basic Grammar classes. In this session, we are going to discuss about articles. Okay, let's get started. What do you mean by articles? An article is a word that is generally used with a common noun and adjective. In English, there are three articles: a, an, and the. These three articles are divided into two categories: the definite article and indefinite article. The is considered as a definite article. A and an are considered as indefinite articles. Okay. A and an are called indefinite articles because they are used when we do not speak of a definite or particular place, person, or thing. For example, he is a boy. This is an egg. There is a book on the table. I bought a new dress. Here in these examples, we are not talking about a definite or particular place, person, or thing. So, we put the articles a or an. Okay. The is called the definite article because it is used when we speak of a definite or particular person, place, animal, or thing. Let's look at some examples. This is the book which I bought yesterday. The girl you saw there was my sister. Lion is the king of jungle. In these examples, we are talking about a particular place, person, and thing. So, we put the article the. It is a definite article. So let's move on to next. There are some rules to use the articles. Let's look at them in detail. First rule. A is used with all the nouns beginning with the consonant sounds. For example, a bag, a bat, a cart, a glass, a mango, a table, etc. In these words, all the words begin with the consonant sounds. So, we put the article a before all the consonant sounded words. Okay, let's move on to the next rule. A is used with some words like a union, a university, a European, a useful book, etc. Though these words begin with the vowel letters, they are giving the sound of consonant like y. So, we put the article a before these words. Okay, let's move on to the next rule. An is used before a word beginning with the vowel sound. For example, an ox, an umbrella, an elephant, an important letter, etc. In these examples, all the words begins with the vowel sound. If they begins with the vowel sound, we put the article an. So let's see another rule. An is used when a consonant gives the sound of a vowel. Here is the important rule. An is used when a consonant gives the sound of a vowel. Let's see some examples. An honest man, an hour, an historical place, etc. Here, though the words begin with the consonant letter, but they are giving the vowel sound. So we put the article "an" before them. Let's move on to the another rule. Use "a" and "an" only with singular countable nouns. Let's see some examples. An elephant, a cup, a doctor, an orange, a door, an old lady, a university. These are all some examples for singular countable nouns. We put the article "a" or "an" before them. If it is in the plural countable nouns, for example, 10 elephants, 2 cups, 3 doctors, 5 oranges, etc., we don't use the articles before them. And also, before the uncountable nouns also, we don't put the articles "a" and "an". For example, water, oil, milk, honesty, anger, knowledge, beauty, love, etc. Because these are all not countable, so we don't put any article before them. But the article "the" can be used with all kinds of nouns, singular and plural, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, let's move on to the next rule. Use "a" or "an" to talk about a person or thing unknown to your listener. For example, my brother has 2 cars, a Swift and a Innova. The Swift is quite old, but Innova is brand new. In this example, I said a Swift and a Innova because I am talking about them for the first time before you. So, they are unknown to you. After saying this, I can say the Swift car and the Innova car. Now you can understand about which car I am talking about. The Swift and the Innova are my brother's cars. Let's move on to another example. I have a pen in my bag. The pen is very expensive. Okay, sometimes you don't need "a" or "an" because your listener will understand automatically what you are referring to. For example, can you open the door? If I say to you, you can open the door. If you are sitting in a room, you will understand that which door I am talking about. Okay. By this, I will end my session. Hope you will utilize this video. We will come with another session. Till then, bye. Take care.